What's up, guys? How are you all doing? If you guys remember, I made the warden several months ago and also made a deal that if it gets 10 likes in 1 week, I will continue making Minecraft mods. But I don't know why one smart person disliked at the 8th day. So, you all know deal's deal. So, I'm again going to make 1.17 mobs. Today, I'm going to make an axolotl. It's one of my very favorite mobs. Not the game one, but a real axolotl. So, here is the 3D puzzle for the axolotl. You have to assemble them later, okay? And here's the headpiece. Join the two curves. This will be the head of the axolotl. Now accept the gills. Cover every piece of the axolotl with paper, but there's a tip for the body and the tail. Now for the body and the tail, first you need to join the body and the tail with glue and sun dry them for at least until they're hard, okay? And after that only you are supposed to cover them with paper, otherwise they won't stand a chance. And also make a hole in the front of the axolotl and add this weird paper piece so that later it's going to be the attachment of the axolotl's head. So this part is very much necessary. And yeah, one more thing to tell, make the hose for the legs when the axolotl's body is wet and attach everything. After attaching, this looks pretty nice. It's getting to shape right now. And then cover the body with tissue paper so that painting becomes easy. After covering, sun drying and painting later. Now it really looks like an axolotl. It has a very good shape, but the head is a bit sussy. It looks like a cow. So the tip is to make the head a bit wider so that you can justify it's an axolotl. I would like to tell you guys something before this video ends. So you may remember that I made a Charizard months ago, and the Charizard now is in a very bad condition. Its wings are broken, its nails are broken. So I have planned to evolve it into either Gmax Charizard, Mega Charizard X, or Mega Charizard Y.